Hey guys, it's me, Rebecca, the Bexa Boss Lady, and this is the first video I'm doing like this, partnering with a company, and it's with FabFitFun, and I'm super excited about this month's box, and let me tell you why. Well, actually, I haven't opened it yet, so the plan is I'm gonna open it with you guys. I have not even cracked the seal yet on this. But what I'm really excited about is that this quarter's charity for them is Dress for Success. And many of you probably don't know, but when I lived in Columbus, Ohio, I had my own gym and I did a lot of charity work with Dress for Success in Columbus. I was a volunteer there. I helped women get their resumes up and running. I did mock interviews with them. I helped dress them in our boutique. I helped with the annual sales they had to raise funds. I went to all the charity events. I coordinated and planned the Power Walk in Columbus 2 years in a row. So I am very familiar with this charity. And when they reached out to me and I looked into it a little bit more, I was like, you know what, this is a good time to do this because I love the cause for this quarter. So these boxes you've probably seen all over Facebook, whatever. They did send me this box. However, I will tell you what I feel about it and when we open it, and it's my opinion. They did not pay me to, say good things about it. So we'll see what happens. You're supposed to get about $200 worth of stuff for $49. If you want to try it out after we're done or anytime, you can use the code Bexa and save $10, and it's fabfitfun.com. So let's just crack this open. Oh, and another thing that they had on their sheet that they sent me about their company is that they work with a lot of female founded entrepreneurs. So a lot of the stuff and the products that are in here are female funded. So it even says Dress for Success on it right here. And so this is very exciting to me. So let's see what I get. All right, so the first is looks like a little catalog, a FabFitFun catalog. And just got some information in it about that. This is called Bite, a flyer for Bite. Oh, it's like a Invisalign type of thing. So you can do an impression kit and get an alignment. So they sent you a little coupon for that. HelloFresh definitely knows how to bombard you with coupons. We've used them once. I think I did a video unboxing for them a long time ago, but we did like their food. We've done that before. All right, so it's got a cute little butterfly and tissue on the top. All right, let's check it out. So the first thing is an Aria Beauty Luxe Chrome Detangling Brush. So I don't know about you, but this is always good. Can you ever have enough brushes? I don't think so. Let's see if I can't get it out of here. But it's pretty. It's like a rose gold or copper color. It's pretty lightweight. It's got the fuzzies in it from the thing, but it's like a bronze brush. And so it's a paddle brush. It has extended bristles for detangling, reduces stress to hair and scalp during blow drying. So it's pretty well made. I like the color. I give this pretty good. I like that. All right, next up is this AG hair care. I've never heard of this brand, but it's called Fast Food, and it's a leave-on conditioner. So you put it's just like regular leave-on conditioner, but it's cruelty-free, it's recyclable, and so you can see that, Fast Food. And it's a big bottle, so it's like 6 ounces. So it's, a pretty decent size. Ooh, I've seen these. I've always wanted to try them, but I never want to buy them, so this works. But they're silicone straws, and this is Chic and Tonic silicone straws. So, we all want to save the turtles. They're dishwasher safe, but then the brush cleaner is hand wash only. It says wash before you use, so don't just put them in your mouth. Oh, they're big. So they're like, they look like those straws you get for like pina coladas and stuff, but they're pretty thick. They're cute. And there's the little brush in here. All right. Those would be good when you go to the pool. Maybe I'll take them to Aruba with me when I go with Eleni. All right, so it's so funny. I almost bought one of these on Amazon the other night because, I don't know, BuzzFeed or someone said it was good. But it's a gravity weighted sleep mask, and it's evenly distributed pressure. So I get sinus pain and migraines, as many of you know, and so I looked into this to seeing, you know, if it would help with pressure or anything. I should report back, try it and report back, right? But this, ooh, it's so soft. And I don't want to put it on because I just did my makeup, but it's good. It's nice. Like it says it's about £1 pound, which that seems about right. Polyester, just wipe clean, don't submerge in water. All right, let's see. Ooh, I need this stuff. I love Tarte. I have lots of Tarte makeup. This is Tarte C, Drink of H2O, Hydrating Boost. And I have very dry skin. So this is a good thing to have. I don't know if you can see that. Ooh, it's like a jelly. Ooh, I like that. I hate really thick creams. I don't know, so it goes on nice. All right, next up we have this Pure Lease Watermelon Energizing 2-minute Polishing Peel. It gently resurfaces your skin, smooths it. Never tried anything like this, but this is a 2.5 ounce bottle. That's a cute bottle. I'm all about marketing and cute bottles. All right. Next is another, it's a Wish, W-H-I-S-H, Powerfully Effective Natural Blue Matcha Restoring Mask with antioxidant-rich skin balancing. And it's paraben-free, sulfate-free, phthalate-free, DEA-free, all the cruelty-free, Leaping Bunny certified, all that fun stuff. So I'll try this too. So far, everything in here I would use and I would try. Now, this also, I joined BoxyCharm a while ago, like almost a year ago, and I'm obsessed with it. So maybe I'll have to do one of those. I don't have a partnership with them or anything. I just love the BoxyCharm products. Ooh, that smells really good. You know, matcha is usually like bright green. So it's kind of a green, it's like a clay color, but it does smell very good. All right. And it looks like last up is this Caravan Well-Traveled, what is this? I don't know what this is. It says Caravan Home. Is it a blanket? Well-designed traveled. Oh, it's a rug. Okay. I didn't expect to be getting a rug in this. I don't know if I love this part of it. I guess that's part of Fab. I don't know where the fit part of this box is. This seems to be all beauty stuff. And home, I guess, is Fab. So this is a Fab item. It's just like a bath rug, like a little boho rug. So this is okay. I don't know. Let me put it this way. If you were looking for something like this, it's very nice. The quality is nice. It feels nice. I think it'll probably look nice, but I guess I don't need a rug. So now I have an extra rug. So I guess that's the one downfall of these is like, if you get stuff that you don't like or you don't want, you know, what do you do with it? And my suggestion is you save it for Christmas, and then you just have a bunch of expensive looking gifts to give to your sisters, your friends, your cousins, your coworkers, whatever it is. But I do like almost everything in this box. Like I said, the rug is not my favorite. But I will use almost all of these products. So maybe I should come back and do a review of the products. I don't know. I'm not really used to doing this yet, these kind of review videos, but I definitely am very excited about this. And you can never have enough brushes. Overall, I mean, I would pay $30 or $40 for this stuff because, you know, just this Tarte product is 20 some dollars. So, you know, I do think that you're getting a good value out of this. And that's important. I signed up for the Sephora one and I ended up canceling it after like 2 or 3 months. It's like Sephora Play and it was like $10 a month. And they kept sending me, first of all, they send like sample sizes. So you're paying $10 a month and you're getting an itty bitty sample thing or one of the one-time use rip-off plastic things. So that irritated me. And then they kept sending the same stuff in the same, like they sent me 2 months in a row, several of the same items. And the whole point of trying those things or using these boxes to me is that I get to try different products, you know, and I get to use different things that I wouldn't maybe necessarily normally use because I don't want to spend full price on it if I don't know, you know, whether I'm going to like it or not. Like this watermelon thing, I will use this and I will try it, but I don't know if I saw this like in Target or Sephora or Ulta or whatever, I don't know if I would buy this. So these types of things I like because what if I love this? If I love this, then I'll go and get it. And like I said, if I don't love something, I just, you know, I wouldn't open it and use it and then give it to your sister. But you could, you know, say, oh, I don't think I'll ever use this, or I don't like masks. So, you know, you just keep it in this container and then you give it as a gift. So it's fun. You get new stuff every month. And like I said, I have done others that I've really liked and others that I have not. So this box is pretty good. And actually it kind of makes me want to sign up for it. But yeah, if you use my code Bexa, B-E-X-A, at checkout, the link is in my description for FabFitFun. And, you know, if you get one, please let me know if you love it. And, yeah, hopefully, I'll be able to have a good partnership with them and, we'll see where it goes. Always, you know, I'm not going to do these all the time, but I thought this was a good, like I said, I like the charity that they're working with. I did genuinely, personally want to see what was in the products, and I am overly happy, I guess. I'm not like ecstatic about this stuff, but I do think these straws are good for vacation. So I won't feel like I'm, you know, killing sea life while I'm looking at them. I don't know. It's probably a good option. Good idea. But anyway, I hope you subscribe to my channel. And I hope this gives you some insight as to what you can expect when you get a FabFitFun box. And I'll see you next time. All right, bye.